If you're one of the millions of Americans suffering from joint or muscle pain that makes your life difficult and keeps you from doing what you enjoy,
spray it away.
Spray it away.
Spray it away.
Now you can spray the pain away with Resume, the world's first pain revitalizing spray gel pen that takes a whole new approach to treating and beating everyday aches and pains so you can get back in the game. If you suffer from aching arthritis pain, agonizing pain from muscle cramps, soreness, and stiffness in your back, neck, knees, or feet, from now on, just spray it away with odorless, all-natural Resume. Developed to help keep elite athletes at the top of their game, and now available to you for the first time, Resume is the scientific breakthrough that contains the revolutionary new discovery, Arnica Collagen II, which has been clinically proven to be twice as effective as glucosamine and chondroitin in providing comfort, flexibility, and mobility, so you can be active and get more out of life, without depending on daily NSAIDs, without using messy, foul-smelling creams, and without expensive prescriptions.
It works right away, it doesn't stink, it's not sticky.
And once you try it on Resume and takes your pain away, there's nothing else you need.
You literally spray it on and the pain is gone immediately.
I really like Resume because it doesn't just mask the symptoms, it helps the body to heal like it's supposed to.
You don't have to live with pain. Spray it away and discover a new you with Resume today. Find out how to get a free Resume spray gel pen while they're still being given away. But you must act now because supplies are limited. Call the number on your screen or log on to tryresume.com right now. Simply pay for one Resume spray gel pen and get a second absolutely free. All natural Resume is guaranteed to work better, faster, and longer than your current pain-relieving regimen, or simply return them for a full refund of the purchase price. No questions asked. Remember, a pain-free life and a free Resume spray gel pen are waiting for you. So call or click now.